You're probably here because you want to find the best way to speed up your EV charging time. Whether that be with a fancy new at-home installation or adapters, there are usually a few different ways to charge faster. The one misconception that we come across is that an extension cord can help boost your charging speed. This is not the case. Here's why. Let's start with the equipment your vehicle comes with. We are using Tesla equipment as an example, but most EVs now come with a mobile charger equipped with a regular household plug and a NEMA 1450 adapter. Right out the gate, you have the option to charge at a level 1 rate at 12 amps or a level 2 rate at 32 amps. Level 1 is EV speak for 120 volt charging, while level 2 means 240 volts. The higher the voltage and amperage, the faster your charging speed will be. The AC to DC converter box should also note the power ratings it is capable of handling. Most EV owners don't need to worry about voltage drop because they have close access to their charging outlet. Still, quite a few EV owners need to charge over distances of 50 feet or longer. When you need to charge your EV 50 feet or longer away, you can experience significant voltage drop, which in turn can slow down your charging rate a bit. We carry overkill extension cords to help mitigate voltage drop when working with 50 feet or longer distances. I have those linked below and a video demonstration linked above. These overkill cords can only help reduce voltage drop. They do not boost charging speeds in any way. No cords anywhere on the market have a capability to boost charging speeds. The charging speed is completely determined by your vehicle, the rating of the charger it comes with, the plugs that come with the charger, and the outlets you have available to work with. When trickle charging with the 12 amp 120 volt household plug on your charger, there's no way to exceed those ratings. I hope with this video you're able to understand a bit more about charging your EV. If you're interested in knowing more about EV charging and other power solutions, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and stay powered up.